Hello Internet. My name is Thijs Alberts. I'm a theoretical physicist and mathematician, and I'm attempting something quite stupid. My mission is to create a full-body exoskeleton system, a powered suit that helps you move in every way. Now this is ambitious, and if at all possible, I cannot do this alone. So therefore welcome to Machina. Right. Hello Internet. Welcome to Machina. I've got two pieces of great news that I thought I would quickly discuss with you guys. First, we got an office, and second, we may have solved the weaponizability problem of our technology. Anyways, the office is what I'm doing now actually. The blackboard needs to come down, the entire workshop I've just removed. It's all going to go to Utrecht. So yeah, let's check out the office. So this is the main entrance, and our entrance is back there. Yeah, I've already put the blackboard here yesterday evening. That was an interesting experience. I've got my desk here. Now we can load out the rest of the stuff, and then this entire corner is ours. So here we are. Welcome to the new office. I just finished setting up, but yeah, where we are is at a place called Vechtclub. I'm not joking, it's Dutch. In Dutch it's called Vechtclub, which translates to fight club. This building will be demolished in about 4 years. Until that time, a bunch of artists, among which us, have been permitted to work here. Rent is really good, building is okay, but most of all, we are completely free to do what we want here. That's why I'm here. This is both our workshop and our studio now. So I want to take you guys for a walk around the building, but if you don't mind, I have two questions. We are now in a building with very interesting people. We could just invite them over and have a bit of an interview, see if we can learn something, see what they think of our inventions. The other thing is, we've been talking about the potential weaponizability of the technology that we work on. Some women, after a talk, came back and they said, why do you not pursue closing the gap in physical strength between different groups of people, specifically men and women? She said, we can use this with the right laws and the right optimization of the technology itself, but if we can use this technology to get everybody to the same level. So someone who's already very strong, the suit or a system, a full-body exosystem will not work very well for. But someone who isn't very strong, such a system could mean a lot. If we optimize the technology to that degree, construction, for example, would not be a man's world. Like anyone could work in construction because the system, the exoskeleton, would do the majority of the physical labor. I'm not sure if we should be going that way, but I do want to share the idea with you guys. Should that be one of the things that we pursue? It's an interesting thought.